Stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make chicken feet in tomato sauce.
Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen.
To our already clean, scald, and washed chicken feet, I season well, guys, and allow to marinate. Then in the pressure pot, I add half of a chopped onion, some garlic and ginger, guys. I add to that my chicken feet and stir to brown it for just a little bit. Now, guys, I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my whimsical family. Please remember to hit the like button, leave your comment in the comment section, and of course, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. So the chicken feet, guys, I will add to that 2 cups of vegetable stock, the next half of the onion, guys, and then I will pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, guys, this is what it looks like. I have released the steam, opened my pressure pot, guys, and I have removed the chicken feet from the sauce. Next, I move to making my tomato sauce. To my blender, guys, I have tomato, I have bell pepper, garlic, onion, and ginger, guys, and I use half of the sauce to blend well. Next to my saucepan, I've added 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and the rest of the sauce from the chicken feet, guys, and I stir well to evenly blend out my tomato paste. Now, guys, after about 2 minutes, guys, I then add to that my blended tomato paste. Smell good, look good, can't done, guys. I then move to add to that some seasoning. I'm talking about some paprika, I'm talking about some allspices, guys, some black pepper and salt to taste. I then add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, guys. I stir this in, guys, and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Next, guys, I add to that my chicken feet, guys. Boy, I tell you, this is awesomely divine. I allow this to simmer for about 10 minutes, guys, and then serve. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time with me in the kitchen. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, guys, and I'll see you next week.